Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am so these glamorous look by using these affordable products. These products are under 5,000, so you can definitely try out these products. Let's start the video. First I am using this Pond's Gel Moisturizer. If your skin is oily, then this moisturizer work very good. Okay, so you can definitely try this moisturizer. Moisturizer I am using here inside hydrating primer. This primer is also very hydrating. If you're, I am also apply this primer on my eyelid and under eye also. After applying primer, I am using this L'Oreal concealer. This concealer is due for Tarte concealer. You can see I am taking very little amount of concealer, but this quantity is also left. So then I am using this ELF Hello Glow liquid filter. You can see the sign. This is due for Charlotte Tilbury Hello Glow liquid filter. After that, I am using this Maybelline foundation. This is also taken back of my hand, only this amount, and apply. First, I merge this, then take very thin layer. This foundation coverage is buildable. If you want to increase their coverage, then apply one more layer. Then I am using this ELF contour. This is liquid contour. Angular brush and blend, 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 blend. That I'm using this ELF blush. And then apply this light color concealer. This is also L'Oreal and their number is 308. This is light for my face color, very little amount. Okay, and then that's enough. Cinder brush and then blend. After that, I am taking a blender and blend for removing excess product. Then I am using this Fit Me loose powder. So first apply here. Then here. Then rest of the face. Light. Very little amount. Then powder blush. This is also eye magic blush, and I'm taking these two shades and then apply back of the hand and then remove. So first I'm using this Swiss Beauty palette. This is my favorite shades. Here all warm shades, brownish, and apply whole lid. Okay. Then I'm taking this dark color shade and deposit in corner. Yeah. And in my crease line. Okay. And then I am using this Mars liquid eyeshadow. Very little amount. Blend, blend, blend. हल्का सा. Then same here also. Then I am applying this liner, and after that I am using this mascara, Maybelline mascara. Then I am using this brow gel, very little. Then this is beauty lip liner for outlining the lip. Lakme lipstick. Then I am applying this Mars highlighter. Very little. And last, this L'Oreal setting spray. So this is my final look. You can see how it's flawless and glowy. If you like my look and my video, then follow me for more.